This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing a compatible headset and the first actionable steps. Open the headset, update its OS, and install the YouTube VR app. You need a stable Wi-Fi connection and a logged-in Google account so your subscriptions and history sync. Once done, grant camera and microphone permissions only if prompted for casting or voice search. Make sure to pair any external controller or trackpad now, because you'll use it to navigate 360 videos precisely. Next, you locate VR content. Search for 360 degrees or VR 180 videos, then select one labeled for VR. You switch the player to VR mode if required. This forces stereoscopic rendering and head-tracked perspective. Once playing, use the controller or gaze pointer to recenter and choose playback quality. Higher than 1080p improves clarity in headset lenses. Make sure spatial audio is enabled to preserve directional sound. To finish, you learn how to exit and troubleshoot. Stop playback, close the app, and power down the headset properly. If the image drifts, recenter using the controller and adjust the headset fit or IPD. Proper alignment prevents eye strain. If the video stutters or lags, lower resolution to 720p or 1080p and restart the YouTube app. If issues persist, reboot the headset and router, because network or GPU load is usually the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.